In this video I'm going to talk about this event here, and this is the Glastonbury Festival, which for over 50 years has been held here in the heart of rural Somerset. Also, because it's one of my videos and I live right next door to the festival, I'm going to talk about a bit of painting too. The main view I'm keen on is this view here, with the pyramid stage and the Glastonbury tour behind it, which turned into this painting here. And it's this painting you'll see being built up in the bottom right hand corner. Now, I've done a fair few paintings at the festival over the years, so I'm going to feature a few of these too. But first, a bit of backstory. You may not know that the Glastonbury Festival isn't held in Glastonbury at all. It's actually held a few miles down the road in the small village of Pilton. And the whole parish of Pilton has just under 1,000 people in it. And for the most part, Pilton is your quintessential English village. Lovely old church, streams running here and there, cows, there are plenty of them. Yes, it's all fairly quiet. In fact, it's pretty fair to say this is about as hectic as it gets. So, you can imagine the surprise that when this scene here suddenly turns into this scene here, and this is what over 200,000 people looks like. Yes, it's all pretty enormous. Yeah, most of the time you've got the place to yourself. And then, for about a week of the year, there they all are. Partying away. Of course, it's not all partying. There's lots of drinking to do too. And on quieter moments, I'm a bit of a fan of this cocktail bus. In fact, I enjoyed their beverages so much, I actually did this painting of it. There are over 80 stages at the festival, though in amongst it you can find this, a cinema tent. I've never actually seen a film at the festival, though for today I was very grateful of the shade and took time to do a painting of it. Getting back to the stages, this is one of my favourites, the park stage. I can't tell you how many wonderful artists I've seen perform here. Well worth a painting, and I managed to get that wonderful Somerset landscape in the background too. And from there to something completely bizarre, a traditional seaside pier, tens of miles from the nearest sea, just planted there on the hillside. Fully complete with old arcades and many of the traditional entertainments, and some entertainments, well, not so traditional. Painting the Glastonbury-on-Sea pier wasn't the easiest project in the world, but I was glad I made the journey. Yes, Glastonbury is a real gift for any artist, though that said I was very surprised when festival postcards contacted me and asked to print out a few of my paintings for their on-site stalls. I was more than happy to oblige, and it's always a thrill seeing your work up in print. And more exciting still to see people buying your work and writing on the back messages like wish you were here and let's be honest, ha ha ha, I got a ticket and you didn't. Whatever your message, festival postcards even provide stamps and a little postbox for you. And here in detail are a couple of other postcard examples. Now, there's a whole lot more I could say about the Glastonbury Festival, though fundamentally over 200,000 people visit this small Somerset village and have a really great time. Though, as they say, all good things must come to an end, and just as quickly as it started, it all suddenly fades back again, just as it was. It all seems rather sad, though I think these particular residents would be rather pleased. That's all from me for now. Many thanks for watching.